How do educational record data breaches impact student privacy? Imagine sharing your personal information with your school, only to find out it has been accessed or shared without your permission. That's what happens when educational record data breaches occur. These breaches happen when sensitive student information is accessed by unauthorized people. This can include details about a student's health, disabilities, grades, or disciplinary history. Such breaches can happen because of weak security systems, cyberattacks, or even insider threats from someone within the school. When a breach happens, the privacy of students is at risk. Personal details that should stay private might become public. For students with disabilities, this information can be especially sensitive. If their records are exposed, it could lead to stigma or discrimination from others. This can make students feel embarrassed or unsafe at school. Data breaches can also cause schools to stop or delay services students need. For example, if a cyber attack disrupts access to educational records, a student might miss out on important special education support. This can slow down their learning or delay necessary accommodations. Families trust schools to keep their children's information safe. When a breach occurs, that trust can be broken. Parents might hesitate to share important details about their child's needs if they think the data isn't secure. This can make it harder for schools to plan and provide the right support. Schools are required by laws like the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, which protects student records. But breaches can still happen if security measures are not strong enough. Sometimes, schools might share data without proper permission, which can add to the risk. For families and advocates, understanding these risks is important. They should ask schools how they protect student data. Parents can review their child's educational records regularly to check for errors or unauthorized access. It's also helpful to know what to do if a breach happens. Families can request clear information from schools about data security policies. They should make sure only necessary information is shared with third parties and that proper consent is given. Monitoring records for mistakes or unusual activity is another good step. Supporting strong data security policies at schools is vital. Parents and guardians can work with school officials to promote better protections. This way, student privacy is respected and trust in the educational system remains strong. In the end, data breaches can seriously impact student privacy and rights. They expose sensitive information and can interfere with the services students need to succeed. Staying informed and involved helps protect students and keeps their educational experience safe and secure.